Okay, here I am, washing the windows. Oh, my soul is so not meant for washing the windows. Oh, dear. I can feel it in my body that this is so not meant for me. I can feel it as unpleasant frequencies, meaning unpleasant emotions and feelings in my body. You know, my soul knows that there is something way more aligned that I could be doing right now. Something else than cleaning these windows. Something that is fully aligned with my soul. Something that is fully aligned with my soul's dreams. Something, darling, that is meant for my soul. Something that would feel amazingly good doing. Something that would actually feel like a dream doing. My love, your soul is excellent at speaking to you through how you feel, through your emotions and your feelings, through the frequencies in your body. Simply said, when the doing does not feel good, it's not meant for your soul. And when the doing feels amazingly good, when the doing feels like a dream, then that doing is truly meant for your soul. This said, and my love, I lovingly invite you to curiously observe in your daily life. What are you doing when you're feeling unpleasant emotions or feelings in your body? And asking your soul in that case, what would my soul rather be doing now? Then, as much as you can, arranging your life so that you get to do this thing that is meant for your soul, rather than those things that are not meant for your soul. So you get to do those things that truly feel good, that feel like a dream doing. So your life actually feels like a dream. Any thoughts on this? Feel free to drop a comment if you feel like it. You are the soul truly live.